I look absolutely crazy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look absolutely crazy. I look crazy, you guys, and that is because if you see this face on me, that is because I am doing a foundation review, you guys. I'm just going to do a quick foundation review on the new Cover FX PowerPlay foundation, and I wanted to come on camera and apply the foundation for you guys and talk a little bit more about it. Okay, I have the NYX Angel Veil primer, which leaves a white cast over your face, so that's what you see right now. And I have my eye makeup done, and all I really have to do is do my foundation and my base. The foundation. I'm rocking with the Fireboy. Let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about the foundation before I apply it on my face. It's full coverage. Its skin type is combination or oily. The finish is matte. It's without parabens and sulfates. It is vegan and cruelty free, and it's free of, again, parabens, fragrance, mineral oil, talc, gluten, and sulfates. It comes in different skin undertones, you guys, and so it has a P for pink, N for neutral, and G for golden, and then G plus for golden olive. Alright, so it says go ahead and find your shade. They have 40 shades, you guys, of this particular foundation, and the shade range that I'm in is a deep, and what I got was an N for neutral 100. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 6 different categories for light to deep. They have fair, light, medium, medium deep, deep, and then extra deep, and I fall in the range of deep, you guys, so I wear N100. The price of this is $44, you guys, and I picked it up at Sephora during the Sephora VIB spring sale, so I was able to get 15% off on this purchase. So let's go ahead and get started. I already have my primer on, which was the NYX Angel Veil primer, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm going to shake the foundation. You have to twist off the cap, and it has a little dropper type of thing, like a squeezy thing. It's plastic. Okay, as you can see, I've already used it, you guys. The consistency is not runny. It's not runny, it's there. I'm trying to stipple the foundation on my skin instead of swiping it. You're now rocking with the Fireboy. I'm funny, you my devil. Okay, you guys, this is the foundation as I have put it on. I have to go and finish the rest of my makeup. Let me just show you how it looks right now. Pretty girl from Africa. Man, them a die for your love, oh, oh. Give them with the mad figure, say everybody bad, oh. Alright, so I will be back and I will show you my full face, and then I'll talk a little bit more about the foundation. So please stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is my completed makeup look for today. I used the Cover FX PowerPlay foundation. So yeah, I've been wearing this foundation off and on for the last week or so. I really love this foundation, you guys. I went to a comedy show about a week ago, and I wore this foundation, and I stayed out pretty much all all night. I stayed out for a very, very long time, you guys. And this foundation held up, you guys. It held up. I was out from, I want to say, like from, when did I go to the comedy show? Like about 6 p.m. till early the next morning, okay? Till about 4 or 5 p.m. 4 or 5 a.m. you guys. And the foundation held up. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this foundation, you guys. I think that it is great. The only thing I don't like is that it's, okay, well, I don't mind that it's plastic, but I don't like this squeezy thing. Okay, I don't like that. I wish it came with a pump, and it's extremely tiny. So like, I don't know. It's supposed to come with 1.18 fluid ounces, 34 milligrams, but I don't know. It just seems like, and that's the average for other foundations as well, but it just seems like for some reason it's just extremely tiny. I don't know. But overall, I like the foundation. I think the coverage is amazing. You saw that how I put it on, and it lasts. I think it lasts for the most part. And yeah, I'm just going to be shooting a couple of other videos wearing this foundation and this makeup look. So yeah, if you have any other questions about this foundation, please do not forget to leave them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And for all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming and joining the Cocoaalmondjoy family. It means the world to me. Alright, so I want you guys to go ahead and take care. Alright, bye.